Hi guys, today I will explain how to change email address on Binance. This process is simple and easy. The only thing is open the Binance application. Once it will be open, you can see a Binance icon on the left top, click on it. And here you can see a lot of options. But from these, here, you can see your own profile. So click on this arrow, and on the second number, you can see the option of security. Click on it. And on the third number, you can see the option of email. Click on it. And here is my email, which I use on my Binance in order to change. Here, you can see the option of pencil. Click on it. And here you can see, are you sure you want to change your email address below? You have to read everything, so do it by your own risk, because you can see the old email address cannot be used to register for 30 days after updating it. So if you want to change it, then click on the option Continue, and then write the email address and confirm that in Binance. And it was the way by which you can do it quickly.